I went by Batman Club looking for you. Who's Tiffany? You rat? You cheating pig? I can't believe I ever fell for you. I can't believe I let you do all those things. I will never forgive you. Never. Just don't even try. Just don't even bother. Okay? Okay, call me.
Офигеть. Что у нас там по заданию? Ну где этот ваш важный гость? Ну нормально, что сейчас? Выполню тогда это задание. Видимо, пока больше ну, видимо, всех, кого надо было, я арестовал. Ну, выполню хотя бы еще одно задание. О! В GTA 4 свист нажимаю, в GTA 4 достаточно посвистеть, и такси останавливается. Здесь не. А в GTA 5 вообще можно такси по телефону вызвать. А здесь нужно искать такси.
Well, well, well. Look who decided to join us.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
Come on in.
You sure you don't want to fuck her a little before you start? It's no problem at all. I'll just have a swing by your hotel on the way to the studio.
Nah, man, I'm good. We could do a photo shoot or whatever, and look, I'm sure it'd be fun and all, but that's not why I'm here, dude.
Ah, you don't know what you're missing. This baby will fuck you in a way your wife never could.
Sonny, this is Wei. Wei? The infamous Sonny Woe.
That's me. Infamous and notorious. Glad you could come by. Ricky's told me all about you. This is King.
What's good?
He's producing Vivian Liu's next big hit.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot, man.
Wei here's the real deal. A bona fide tried killer from the streets. Cleavers, guns, castrations, whatever you want.
Okay.
Wei, why don't you take King out on the town and show him around?
Yeah, anytime.
It's like one big
Офигеть,
playground,
это мне
man.
что, типа
Nothing's off
экскурсоводом надо
limits. You want to
быть?
pick up some
Ладно,
girls, get nasty,
побуду
done.
экскурсоводом.
And with Wei, no one will bother you.
Жесть.
Nobody fucks your son
Экскурсоводом.
on
Yeah, I mean, actually, that sounds alright. If you don't mind showing me around.
Yeah, sure.
I wish I could go with you
Ладно,
players.
покатаемся.
Business call.
Alright, cool, man. Yo, it was real nice to meet you, Sonny. Streets.
Let's do it.
Какой-то рэперок
Listen to
подъехал.
this. I've been thinking. We need to get her a movie role of some sort.
Я-то думал, задание будет такое опасное, сложное, а надо
Hey,
побыть.
I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
Баги, приколы, фейлы. 1000 метров.
So you producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a fucking clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
Buddy does good business, makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality goes...
Good to know we're on the same page. Fact is, I got some other business to discuss. But I don't think my partners back in the States will want to be in bed with that guy.
What kind of business?
I got friends, guys I grew up with. They got a real good import and retail thing going. But they could use a good Hong Kong angle. Access to that good Asian product, you feel me? You see, the reason I took the producing gig was I heard Vivian and her label had connections.
Well, they are. To me.
Well then, I guess this is gonna be like one of them old school business meetings. Where you show me around town and you try to figure out if we're a good fit.
Блин. Он честный собственник. Помни до фильма? Что урод честный собственник. Сколько там осталось? 600 метров. Парам. Тачка немножко.
We are, man. K-Bar.
Good evening, gentlemen.
We'd like the VIP karaoke room.
It's right this way.
Да был я в этом кей-баре.
And don't tell me you and me are gonna sing to each other. I mean, I'm here for the local flavor, but not that local.
Let me find us the right kind of audience.
Понятно, надо пару подружек найти. Ладно. Эй, Юля, или как там тебя звать? Пошли поговорим.
What's your name?
Katushka!
I'm Wet. So listen, I saw you.
О, это Катя! Я практически угадал ее погонялого.
I just wanted to ask if you mind keeping it a secret.
Ooh, how can I say no?
If you're not
Чё,
doing
Катюха,
anything, maybe I
пошли
can buy you silence
потанцуем.
with a drink. Want to join us?
That's very nice of you.
So you're from Russia?
Yes. How'd you guess?
I'll call it a hunch.
Oh, you.
В натуре Катюха. Да. Красивая Russian девушка. Наша Катя, короче. Да блин, ничего себе. Чё, чувак, ты чё со стенкой разговариваешь?
А чем заправляться? Майонезом стоит майонезом. Потом передали коне, стоит майонезом.
Да, вот это глюк.
У меня не написано.
Чувак,
Here,
вот
have a
я
seat.
тебе Катю
I'm gonna
нашел.
find a few more people to join us.
Ну, у меня все записано, а вот чем я держу. А слушай, а
Сухарики, бухарики.
Hello, ladies.
Hey, Mr. VIP. Want to buy us girls?
Да базара ноль.
I don't know. My friend and I gonna enjoy your company?
Try us on and see what you get.
All right. Why don't you join my friend in there? I'll be in a second.
How about you and I go find ourselves a hotel room?
You okay, miss?
Wait, poor guy, that's my girl, so why don't you fuck off?
I'm son on ye, motherfucker. Now get out of here before I break every bone in your body.
Oh man, no, sorry, I didn't know who you were.
Guy seemed like he was getting a little pushy.
Ульяна.
We get that a lot.
You work here?
Yes.
So, you allowed to join the customers for
Вообще-то
a drink?
правильно говорить не Ильяна, а Ульяна.
By the
Но,
way, I'm Way.
короче, Катюха и Ульяна.
I'm Ilyana.
Yeah. I usually don't come to places like this. I'm here for my friend.
Well, if you ever want to hang out